AI usually gives students the answer. One variable makes reality answer first, then preserves the reasoning a teacher can inspect. One variable is an evidence-first science app for paper bridges, ramps, and pendulums. It turns an ordinary setup into 5 steps: see, predict, change, prove, explain. On the live path, GPT-5.6 maps a setup image to one allowlisted protocol. All fails closed as unsafe, ambiguous, or unsupported. It never certifies safety. Judges also get this labeled no login replay with no model call. First, the learner writes a prediction and reason. A typed state machine locks both before evidence, so the result cannot rewrite the original expectation. Next, the learner declares one change, paper shape, and attests that paper, span, tokens, and placement stayed fixed. Those are learner declarations, not facts inferred from a photograph. The learner records comparable baseline and changed condition evidence in the same unit: 2 tokens, then 6. Both records are required. Photos preserve observations, but one variable never claims that 2 images prove only one variable changed. The first claim says folded bridges are always stronger. In live mode, GPT 5.6 reviews the claim and measurements through a strict server-side schema. This replay shows the frozen challenge. One trial cannot support the word always. The learner, not the model, writes the bounded revision. In this paired trial, the folded bridge held 4 more tokens. Deterministic code blocks blank or still overbroad conclusions. The final student reasoning record keeps the locked prediction, declared controls, paired evidence, original claim, challenge, revision, uncertainty, and a deterministic rubric. A teacher can see not only the answer, but how the reasoning changed. At runtime, GPT 5.6 classifies scenes and questions claims. Deterministic code owns safety, transitions, evidence, and reports. Codex built and hardened the typed architecture, protocol system, API boundary, replay, adversarial fixtures, and regression tests. Production evaluation returned 12 of 12 schema-valid expected behaviors with 0 retries. One variable, evidence before explanation.